Aunt, how come the hen doesn't give birth to a baby chick? Human babies don't hatch out of eggs.
Babies are born in different ways, depending on whether the parent is an oviparous or a viviparous organism.
Welcome to the lesson on oviparous and viviparous animals. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to distinguish between viviparous and oviparous animals, explain the process of the development of the embryo in a hen's egg, and explain metamorphosis.
Animals that lay eggs are called oviparous animals, and those that directly give birth to young ones are called viviparous animals.
So you're saying that the hen is an oviparous animal?
Yes, and human beings are viviparous. Therefore, hens lay eggs and human beings give birth to babies.
So which animals around us are oviparous and which are viviparous?
That's simple. Think about it. Have you ever seen the egg of a cat, a dog, or a horse?
Certainly not. They don't lay eggs. Last year, I saw Tuffy give birth to puppies.
You're right, Peter. The offspring of cats and dogs are born as kittens and puppies. So, you can make out that they are viviparous animals.
Okay. So some animals give birth to babies while others lay eggs. Does it have anything to do with internal and external fertilization?
Well, to an extent, yes. Oviparous animals like frogs, lizards, fishes, and butterflies generally undergo external fertilization. On the other hand, viviparous animals like humans, cows, dogs, and horses undergo internal fertilization. However, there are exceptions. For example, some species of fish, such as skates, undergo internal fertilization, but the eggs are laid outside the body. This characteristic makes them an oviparous animal that undergoes internal fertilization.
Simple, isn't it? Let's check your understanding through a quick quiz.
Another exception is the hen. The hen undergoes internal fertilization, though it is an oviparous animal.
So the chick is inside the egg that the hen lays?
Yes. However, the chick inside the egg is not fully developed yet. It's only the embryo. The rooster, that is a male hen, mates with the hen and releases sperms. The sperm fertilizes the egg in the hen and forms a zygote. The zygote undergoes rapid division after fertilization and moves down the oviduct. During this period, many protective layers form around the developing embryo.
Is that what forms the eggshell?
Yes. After the external hard shell is formed, the hen lays the egg.
Why is the hen sitting on the eggs? The eggs will break under the weight.
Don't worry. The eggs won't break. It is necessary for the hen to sit on the eggs after laying them in order to keep them warm. This enables the embryo inside the egg shell to develop into a chick.
How long does the hen need to sit on the egg?
For about 3 weeks. In that time, the embryo develops into a chick.
So, the chick will hatch after 3 weeks.
Yes. The shell bursts open after the chick develops completely.
How many eggs can a hen lay at a time?
A hen can lay only 1 egg at a time. A little different from frogs, which lay hundreds of eggs at a time.
Now, let's have a quick quiz to check how far you have understood the development of a hen's embryo.
So tiny!
Yes, the new individuals which are born or hatched from eggs keep growing till they become adults. However, in some animals, the young ones may look very different from the adults. This is especially true in organisms whose life cycle involves metamorphosis. Do you remember studying about metamorphosis at school?
Peter is trying to recall what he remembers about metamorphosis. Let's have a quick quiz to check your knowledge as well.
Look at those tadpoles. Did you see how different they look from adult frogs? There are 3 distinct stages in the life cycle of a frog: egg, tadpole, and adult. In the first stage, the egg fuses with a sperm to form a zygote. The zygote further divides to form an early tadpole, which matures into a late tadpole. The tadpole or larva forms the second stage that transforms into adults capable of jumping and swimming.
You mean the larva transforms into an adult frog?
Yes. So, during metamorphosis, the organism transforms into the adult form.
What about the changes that we observe in our body as we grow? Do you think we undergo metamorphosis too?
Human beings don't need to undergo metamorphosis, Peter. Human beings have all the body parts present right from their birth. For example, your little baby brother has the same organs that you do. He has a complete set of fingers, toes, eyes, nose, mouth, etc., right?
That's true. He just needs to grow bigger.
Right. However, our bodies do undergo certain changes as we develop from children to adults. But you learn about that when the time comes.
Interesting, right? You will get to know more interesting stuff across the next few lessons. However, before that, let's have a small quiz.